Hello friends, welcome to the Diagnose channel. So friends, today I will talk about Huawei AX6 Pro router with Wi-Fi 6 Plus support. So friend, this device is designed to support Wi-Fi 6 Plus technology, delivering a high-speed connectivity of up to 7200 Mbps, and it incorporates dual Wi-Fi 6 functionality, enhancing data transmission efficiency across both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Key specification of Huawei AX6 Pro includes support for Wi-Fi 6 Plus technology capable of reaching a combined theoretical throughout the 7141 Mbps to 1376 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band and 5765 Mbps on the 5 GHz band. The router utilizes 4K QM data compression technology along with 8 stimulus data streams to facilitate a 140% increasement in transmission speed compared to its predecessor and friend. It is equipped with a dual band 454 configuration that utilizes a 4K QAM modulation aligned with the capabilities of 5.7's multiple connection mode technology to enable concurrent data transmission on both frequency bands. And this model also features a 8-channel signal amplification system supported by 8 high-performance signal amplifiers designed to enhance signal penetration through multiple physical barriers, and this device incorporates proprietary AI-identified interface technology to intelligently identify and mitigate co-channel interface from various sources such as neighboring Wi-Fi networks and household applications. And friends, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at approximately $99 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.